To this short demo video of our UCLChem GUI. When trying to start a GUI for the first time, it's recommended to run this setup script right here. I've already done this, so I will just straight up launch the GUI with /run GUI.sh. The GUI will open in your favorite browser, and then you will be shown this starting screen. But at the top here, your model selection, in which you can select a different model if you want to, your model specific parameters, and then down here all your simulation parameters. So for example, these are all in the category of the physical parameters. And then here you have a tab with your plot settings, in which you can customize all the things about the plot that you want. Here you have a field for your output species, so which molecules are going to be looked at. And then here you can set a timer to stop the simulation after a certain amount of time. And once you've set all of that, you can press this button to run the simulation. Here in the simulation log, you can see that the simulation is actually doing something, what it is doing. And at the same time, here you can see more advanced Fortran outputs. Then once it has finished, you can use these buttons to zoom in or save it as a PNG or whatever. Yeah, and then here you have some other tabs at the top. For example, the grid runner, you can again select a model and add a parameter. For example, initial density, choose how many plots, the bounds, the scale, and then you can run a grid again if you want to. And then our last tab over here is the saving and loading, in which this one is for saving and loading entire results tables, so you can easily make a plot out of them again. And it's in .h5 format. And then the second box here is for saving and loading parameter configuration. So you set certain variables and then you can save or load them in a YAML format. I hope that explains roughly how the GUI works, and I hope it makes a little bit easier to run simulations. Thank you for listening.